Everything begins with ordinary sand. Hidden within these tiny grains is silicon, the essential foundation of every modern microchip. This raw silicon is extracted and purified, transforming it into one of the most important materials on Earth. Through extreme heat and precision engineering, silicon becomes ultra-pure, ready for semiconductor manufacturing. A single silicon crystal is carefully grown, forming the base structure for future microchips. This crystal is then sliced into ultra-thin silicon wafers, perfectly smooth and engineered with microscopic precision. Each wafer is polished to atomic-level smoothness, preparing its surface for advanced circuit creation. Highly advanced machines project complex circuit patterns onto the wafer surface with incredible accuracy. Billions of microscopic electronic connections are created with extreme precision. Layer by layer, the chip's architecture is built using advanced industrial automation systems. Every wafer undergoes strict inspection to ensure flawless performance, accuracy, and long-term reliability. The completed wafer is then precisely cut into individual microchips. Each microchip contains powerful computing capability within an incredibly small structure. Robotic systems carefully package each chip, protecting it for integration into modern electronic devices. These chips are now ready to power computers, smartphones, and advanced technologies around the world. From simple sand to powerful microchips, this is how industrial automation powers the modern digital world.